Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Freeze here with Freeze Forge. Today we're going to take a look at charring your hammer's handle. Now, there are a few different ways you can char your handle. The simplest way is just grab a torch. And run it across. This helps seal the wood. It helps, ironically and surprisingly, protect the wood from damage. There are a bunch of very small little, I don't want to call them splinters, but for lack of a better word, we're going to call them splinters. Little pieces of the wood that, unless you sand it down to a very fine sanding, don't really go away. You just use a very fine grit to be able to get that very smooth. The problem with that is it becomes extraordinarily smooth and less grippy in your hand. This allows you to have almost a rubberized texture when you first do it. It really is quite good in the hand, and I very much enjoy having my handles of my hammers blackened, burned, and ready for use. Some people like also the aesthetic appeal. I also agree with that. I think a burned hammer handle looks a little nicer. Some people think that if you're doing it just for aesthetics, that's a little bit of cheating. But there are, of course, also other benefits, as I mentioned, to charring your handle. And that's the word, not burning, charring. We're not burning it, we're just charring the outside of it. It's like a really good flame broiled steak. It's got that just a little bit of charred on the outside. Just a little bit helps add flavor, texture. Well, that's kind of what we're doing here. We're adding some aesthetic appeal and we're improving the texture so that way we can better grip the hammer. There we are. As you can see, it's extraordinarily easy to do. Just basically painting with fire. It's kind of cool, isn't it? Painting things with fire. There we go. Burn the end here. Again, just to keep with a little bit of symmetry. You can use just the forge itself if you want to, but I like the control that you get from the torch. An oxyacetylene torch works very well. Matte gas works very well. Of course, those things are faster, and faster is not always better with fire. I like the control that you get from this little handheld propane torch here. Well, there we are. Very easy way to char your blacksmith's hammers. I do this with all of my axe handles as well. This handle is made of hickory. I prefer ash wood myself, but hickory is also a very suitable handle material. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please do leave a like, comment, and let me know if there's anything that I missed in regards to the blackening of the handle. I'd also like to give a special thank you to my patrons. Thank you very much, guys. Being able to pick up this hammer and bring these videos about it to you was made possible by you. Anyways, that's enough for me today. May the force serve you well.
Shoot, shoot, bottom, shoot, bottom, shoot. Well, you're still here. It's over. Go home. Well, I guess since you won't go away, I'll take this moment to thank my fantastic and wonderful patrons. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. I love you long time. Over here you'll find a couple of videos I've done. This one is my most recent upload, And this one is one that YouTube has decided via its algorithms that you might enjoy. We all know how wonderful and fantastic and perfect YouTube's algorithms are, so I'm sure you have nothing to fear.